Hey guys, my name is Caitlin and you are on my cooking channel, Cait Straight Up, and I am so glad that you're here because cooking should totally be fun and it should be between people. Enough with the hand videos and the GoPro stuff, that's all good, but if you want to connect with a real person and cook some food and drink some killer wine while we're doing it, then make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up. I've always thought that cooking should be fun and it should be between people. We should be hanging, we should be chilling, we should be having fun and drinking and making killer recipes. So if you are into that and that's what you're looking to find on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up and make a recipe request. There are no rules in this kitchen. We don't subscribe to one label. We cook food across the board. And best thing, these recipes are simple and easy to make. They are what I like to call millennial style cooking. They are quick, they are fun, they are easy, and you are going to love them. Every recipe you find here on Cait Straight Up is short, it's fun, it's snappy, and I promise you that you can make it at home in your kitchen. Make sure to subscribe and come hang out with me in my kitchen every Tuesday. Sometimes in between, we have no rules here. We do whatever the heck we want. See you next time. Bye-bye.